Welcome, today in front of me BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So unfortunately we have now installed by default the AD on our BLACKVIEW device, so we should get the application from the Play Store. And now here in the search we'll enter the Muviz Edge. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, just click here to open the app, tap to draw over apps, and near the Muviz Edge, click once here and tap on the switcher to activate it. And after that, just go back to the application, switch the large edge lights to the AOD here, and now select one from the stands, click here to apply it. And now let's just lock the device. Okay, and now we can see that the Always On Display feature is activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.